Hello everybody, welcome to NEET Physics by Arun video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question. Of course, this is the 13th questions for this chapter, Kinetic Theory of Gases. Okay, the question is, the following graph represents the pressure versus number density for an ideal gas at two different temperatures T1 and T2. The graph implies A. T1 is equal to T2, T1 is greater than T2, T1 is less than T2 and cannot be determined whichever is greater. Okay, that's all. So this is the graph. So here the number density, what is number density? N by M. This is number of molecules present in unit volume. Okay, that's all. So it is taken along the x-axis and pressure is taken along the y-axis. How to solve these questions are? We have two equations. The equation for pressure P exerted by a gas is 1 by 3 nm square. And the equation for kinetic energy of molecule is 1 by 2 nm square. Kinetic energy of the gas is 3 by 2 kT is equal to half nm square. So according to the first equation, P is directly proportional to M. Is it not? N is the number density, P is the pressure. According to the second equation, T is directly proportional to M, number density. So from the above two equations, we conclude that P is directly proportional to T. Is it not? Both are proportional to M. So P is directly proportional to T. It means what? Pressure is directly proportional to the temperature. So you look at this graph now. For a particular value of number density M, it will be the value of M. You are having various values of M here. You consider this value M. So you draw a line parallel to the y-axis. So this is greater pressure and you'll have greater temperature because P is directly proportional to temperature T. And this is a lesser pressure and the temperature is also less, must be less. Okay. So it means what? T1 is greater than T2. Okay. So very easy question. Okay. So but you should be able to analyze the graph and analyze the relations between them. Okay. So far we have discussed 13 questions from this chapter. Okay. Kinetic theory of gases. Okay, that's all. So in our next video, we will see questions from some other video chapter. Till then, thank you one and all. Thank you.